How to use Clearpay on Amazon. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To use your Clearpay on Amazon, firstly open up a browser and search for Clearpay or Afterpay. Tap on Clearpay. Now in here you need to check out some of the gift card that is applicable on your Amazon and is related to the Amazon product. This is because there is no direct way of using your Clearpay on Amazon. Once you get your hands on the Clearpay gift card, you can easily apply it while purchasing an item off Amazon. In order to do so, you need to search for your Amazon or just tap open your Amazon application. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now to use a Clearpay on Amazon, let us suppose that we have purchased a gift card of the Clearpay. Then purchase an item off your Amazon or check out any product that is pending on your cart. Select on Proceed to Checkout. By filling out this form at the bottom of Checkout, you will get the chance to use your Clearpay gift card. Just enter your gift card in there and you will also see some of the discount in the grand total, which has brought to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.